Okay, let's see. I think that's good. So I've taken basically just some tape and I'm trying to put the chains on my fish line that I have to run cable so I can pull this through, hopefully. If it doesn't let go. May take a little bit here. There's probably another way I could do this, I just don't know. This is a fish tape I use when I run data cabling, and it seems to do pretty well, generally speaking. It's hot out here in the garage, but I'm determined to try to make this work at least a little bit today. My commentary is not going to be very interesting on these videos, but I just wanted to kind of show you what we're doing. Alright, that worked. So now I get my razor blade and just cut this off. Let's see what we got. So basically here it is now covered. So what I'll do is do the same for the other, and then it's pretty simple to install, so that shouldn't be a big deal. And then we'll test them out. So let me put that up here, and we'll do the other one. This is how they came. So there's that. So we'll get a piece of tape. Got a thunderstorm trying to roll in. Take the nut and the lock washer off. That actually it came with. I didn't know that it came with, and ended up getting some extra just to be safe. Okay. You know, I already messed up. Whoops. It'd be better if you put the fish tape through the thing first. Sometimes I know what I'm doing. Sometimes not. Okay. Now let's try again. Try to do it at an angle so the tape doesn't catch when it's being pulled through. There's a little bit of dust inside, or not, I don't know if it's dust or some kind of a lubrication thing, but it's inside the black cover here, so that kind of helps. It's a little tight, but I think it'll work. Reel some of this in. Need a bigger workbench. Alright, just kind of scrunch it along. Starting to come out the other side. Alright. Cut that off. You can see that kind of dust fall in there. It's like powder. Alright, so alright, let me get this camera. I don't have a stand or anything. Alright, here's what we got. So both are pulled through. Got our nut and our lock washer. So let's go to the truck and see what these look like. right. So this is the original here. And you can see it's a pretty good reproduction. If I can get the orientation right. Pretty good. Pretty close. So, you know, basically I've got the other side latched currently. Kind of goes in through here and then comes out the other side, right? And then we get our lock washer and nut. I don't know that it matters which one I used. I think these are actually thinner. These seem to be a little thicker. So I'm trying to do this one-handed. Well, does that fit? That'd be fun. Let me try the other one. It might have something on the thread just to keep it taut. No, that fits better. There we go. And so with that in place, that's what she'll look like. Pretty good. Might have to play with the orientation. I don't want it to bang against the gate. So maybe have to work on that a little bit, but I think that's going to be a good thing there. So let me work on the other and get it put in, and then I'll come back and show you the finished result. Alright, so just tightening up the other side. Some 1/2 inch nuts on the back side here with a lock washer. Don't want to go crazy tight. Don't want to bend the metal much. And then I'm just going to kind of found that if I just twist it just a little bit, I can kind of force it to stay away from the tailgate itself. So check that out. There you go. Little simple upgrade. Let's go ahead and test it with it fully extended. So I'm going to let that down. And let this down. How do I do this with one hand? Hold on one second. Let's see. Let's do like that. Okay. And then let's get that hooked in. I like that. That's cool. Let's come over here. Do a little assist. Nice. Look at that. Perfect. All right. It's one of the first little upgrades, repairs, however you want to think about it, I guess. Again, here's the original, you know, compared to the new. Let's see if I can even get that the right orientation. Anyway, you know what? Yeah, there it is. Yep. So, pretty cool. I think that looks good. Let's. I think the next thing. The screen keeps going off. Can't tell what I'm seeing. I think the next thing I want to look at is rear view mirror on the right passenger side. I'm sorry, passenger side mirror, and then a rear view mirror up on the windshield itself. I'm gonna crawl underneath it and kind of document what I see there, but that'll be another day. It's a bit warm out here today. But yeah, first of many little projects, and I'll keep doing them and uploading them to the channel so you can take a look at them and kind of follow along. So see you on the next one.